Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a backup on the Realme 14 Pro Plus. Let's begin. So, performing a backup on the Realme is really simple. All you want to do is go to the settings. In here you want to scroll all the way down and go to System and Update. And here you want to click Backup and Reset. And then you want to click Backup and Migrate. Now here we have two options to choose from. First is to basically clone phone, and the second is to perform a local backup. Obviously we're going to be performing a local backup, though if you do have other device and you want to basically just clone it directly, then you can choose the first option. But for the purpose of this video, we'll be choosing the local backup. And as you can see, I don't have currently any backups on this phone, so let's hit New Backup. And now, in a moment, we'll be able to select data that we can basically backup. As you can see here, we have the contacts, the messages, call logs, and preference settings, and obviously applications. I'm going to disable the applications since almost 2.5 gigs is pretty, it will probably back up for a while, and I don't want this tutorial to be very long, so I will uncheck the apps. Though if you want to perform like a full backup, I would advise you to check everything. And the reason I don't have ability to check messages and call logs is because I don't have any messages and no one ever called me. So yeah. After you're done with your choices, all you have to do is simply click Start. And now our backups is gone. Are done, and now we can hit Done. And as you can see here, we have our local backup. You can also click it. And as you can see here, we have the data that is on this backup. Now, as you can see, it is the local backup, meaning that you should probably, as you can see, the phone even tells you that you should back up the files that you just made into a PC or USB flash drive in order to actually retrieve it one day. However, you can also go back a few times, and instead we want to go to the Google here. In here, I want to click Manage Backup. And as you can see over here, we have ability to backup by Google One. So instead of backupping using the Realme built-in backup system, which basically creates your local file, and we can use the Google Cloud to backup using Cloud. So let's click Backup now. We have to enter our password first. And after a while, I believe it should automatically backup everything. Yep, it is backupping everything. And the reason this option is, I believe, better is because you don't have to remember about manually retrieving your backup, or actually getting it from your phone to an USB drive or your PC or whatever. But it is stored in the cloud, where basically nothing can happen to it. So your backups are safe and are pretty resistant to any damage and any loss, because obviously if you go and charge and port your backup into your USB, you can just lose the USB, and the USB stick is gone, and the backup with it is also gone. And after this bar finishes, your phone will be fully backed up. I believe we could also click specifically this in order to actually back up specific things. Though I am a very reckless person, I just click Backup Now, which is option that automatically backs up everything in your phone. So yeah, we should be here for a while. Though I'm going to end the video here, as there's already all for this video. As I said, when the bar goes full, oh, it's actually okay. When the bar finishes, the backup will be done, and after you, for example, perform a hard reset, oh, I don't even have to. Yep, my backup is right here. As you can see, it took a while because it also backed up all my applications here. But yeah, which is what is cool about the Google backup is that you can basically use the backup when you're setting up the new phone. So for example, if you would perform a hard reset on this Realme phone, and then like everything will be wiped out, then you'll have the option to just choose, hey, I want to copy the stuff from the cloud, so I have my phone back again, please. And you can just do that and you have your phone back again. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.